TAO Airdrop I'm about to share with you is one of the most trending project that have been trending on the X app. So this is it now. You could see it. This is somebody talking about it. And if we scroll down, you see this is some another person talking about token that will be getting if we are doing this particular drop. The worth of that particular token was around $381.74. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you I'll be able to register, and I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video. So let's dive in on how we'll be able to get started with this particular airdrop that have been trending. It actually started about 3 days ago, so we are not actually late, and it will be ending very soon. So let me share with you how you'll be able to get started with this particular airdrop. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, click on the bell notification, then anytime we upload another new video. So if you click on the link that I'll be dropping in the description of this particular video, it will bring you to an interface like this. So you tap on join mining pool. Let's tap on it. So now it will show you this thing. It will tell you confirm your address, and it will tell you connect your X. So the first one we'll be doing is to connect our X, because it has to do with your X account. So we'll tap on connect X. We allow it to load, and it will ask us for us to authorize the operation, and I tell you, you have to authorize it. So you tap on authorize app. So after authorization, I will show you what we need to do next before we start talking about this particular. You could see now we have actually successfully connected our X. So the next thing which we need to do is to confirm our address. So what we need is that, so this is where your TAO reward will be sent, must be compatible ERC20 address. So what ERC20 address means, it means it's actually an Ethereum address that they are talking about. So you can either use MetaMask. So I'll be using my Trust wallet, which you must have, which I believe every one of us must have a Trust wallet. So let me go to my Trust wallet and copy my ERC20 address. So this is my Ethereum now. So let me just tap on this particular Ethereum as you are seeing now. So I'll tap on receive. Later I tap on receive. This is the address. I'll tap on copy. I believe it must have copied. Then I'll go on to this particular page, and I'll tap it here. You could see that is the address that you are seeing right now. I will now tap on this particular one that say update address. So I've actually updated address, and that is just it. I'm now confirmed. So I'll now tap on join mining pool here. So we have joined. So this is, so the next thing is that we'll start talking about this particular project on X. So once they started dropping this particular project, then you will be able to receive what we have actually gotten on X. Yes. So what you are seeing that everybody are actually talking, you begin to start talking about it on your X account, the way you can just see that other people are actually talking about it. So I'll be creating my community where you'll be able to interact with everyone that that is actually doing this particular page. So if you want to join my community, check the description of this particular video to see the link there that you'll be able to join the community, so I'll be able to interact with one another. Please kindly click on the bell notification so that I get notified anytime I upload any other new video like this. Thank you. Bye bye for now.